Hi kids, a very lovely evening to all of you. Parents, a lovely evening to all of you. India got gold in physics Olympics. I believe this is a very big news for all of the countrymen because ये जेई के रैंक 1 से भी ज़्यादा बड़ी चीज़ है. जैसे we all say वर्ल्ड कप में ODI में T20 में we celebrate victories, but real test of cricket is test cricket. Likewise, real test of students is these Olympiad examinations. With immense pride, I would like to inform all of you that all 5 Indian students who had participated, who had represented India in Tokyo International Physics Olympiad examination competition, all 5 students got medal. Out of these 5 students, 3 students got gold medal. Aditya from Pitampura, Dhruv Shah from Pune. Dhruv happens to be a student of Vedantu. Mehul from Kachigoda, Telangana. Then Raghav and Rhythm got silver from Chandigarh and Chhattisgarh respectively. Parents, let me tell you, as I started, this is one of the most toughest examinations or competitions that students can experience in their lifetime, and these students have made our country proud. If I talk about this examination which happened in Tokyo, so this examination in this examination at international stage, 82 countries had participated, and out of these 82 countries, 387 students across the entire globe came in. The best of minds from these 82 countries, they came together, they competed with each other, and eventually 37 students got gold, 74 students got silver, and 103 students got bronze. If I talk about at country level, China, Russia and South Korea, they ranked 1. US with 5 gold medals, all their students got gold medals. USA ranked 2nd with 4 students from USA getting gold, and India, Romania and Taiwan shared the 5th rank amongst each others. So in short, India ranked 5 out of these 82 countries. I believe this is really spectacular. In fact, let me tell you, in 2018 or 19, Indian students got rank 1 also. So this was this 53rd edition of this International Physics Olympiad competition where India got 5th rank. If I have to talk about the lifetime rankings, that is all the 53 exams put together, all the 53 editions put together, China is topping the medal tally with 141 golds till now. South Korea is 2nd with 83 golds. India is lying at 8th with 46 golds. This stat really hurts me a bit because I am pretty sure you all understand this part, that Indians are having, India is a country with plethora of talent. Talent pool की इंडिया में कोई कमी नहीं है. But ये वाला जो number है 46 gold, it hurts me over these 53 editions. I'm pretty sure we can easily get to this particular stage. Now what is required to take India from this position to this position is mainly one thing, which is awareness. Many of the students are not even aware about this prestigious competition, and hence they do not prepare for this competition. Varna, there is no single doubt about it that Indian students, the kind of rigor that India has, students will do great in these examinations. As far as Vedantu is concerned, it gives me immense pride that Dhruv Shah, one of the gold medalists out of the 5 students who represented India, one of the gold medalists is a student from Vedantu. And you won't believe, he not only got a gold medal in International Physics Olympiad, he also got gold in Asian Physics Olympiad 2023. In fact, in Asian Physics Olympiad, he was the sole Indian to win gold at that examination. Folks, this actually is the proof of one thing. Students who are studying online can really do wonders, they can really ace the examinations. To all those who say online se padhai nahi ho sakti, online se result nahi aa sakti, I think this is a tight slap on those faces, because online se padhai ho sakti hai. And Dhruv Shah has not been the only one to get these wonderful results. Recently, ISI results were announced, in Indian Statistical Institute results were announced, where out of the 71 students, 12 students were Vedantu students. Then there was also ISI Bangalore, where Vedantu students had really done great in that examination. Not only ISI examination, JEE examination, NEET examinations, Vedantu students have been doing spectacularly well. So to all those, I reiterate, to all those who feel ऑनलाइन से रिजल्ट्स नहीं आ सकते, ऑनलाइन से पढ़ाई नहीं हो सकती, ऑनलाइन से बहुत अच्छी पढ़ाई हो सकती है. खैर, coming back to this point, how much challenging is to get gold in Olympiads? I believe let's spend some time in the amount of challenge, amount of rigor that these students have to go through to get to this ultimate examination, ultimate pinnacle, and that is basically this. Every student in India who aspires to represent India and get gold for India has to go through these stages. The very first stage is National Standard Examination in Physics, where around 60,000 of students attempt this examination. It happens generally in the month of November. Out of these 60,000 odd students, 300 to 400 students get selected to compete in another examination which is called as IPHO, which stands for Indian Physics Olympiad. This generally happens in February first week types. Out of this 300-400 students, 35 students get selected for a camp which is called as Orientation Cum Selection Camp. This camp is conducted by HBCSE, Homi Bhabha Center for Science Education, and HBCSE conducts this camp, and out of these 35 students eventually conducts a test and selects 5 students who represent India at international stage. Those five students then go through something called as PDT, which is pre-departure training camp, before representing India at international stage. And international stage, you saw they compete with 300 to 400 students to fight for gold, silver or bronze medals. Toughest, this competition, this level of filtration, I believe at the stages of filtration is unparalleled. This kind of filtration generally happens in big interviews of Google's, Amazon's, but let me tell you, this is even tougher than that. So folks, Vedantu has been constantly aiming for Olympiads, gold. The vision of Vedantu and Vedantu Olympiad School is to get gold in every international Olympiad examination that India represents. We are immensely proud that this year we achieved our vision, and we are now more than focused to take this torch ahead, to take this baton ahead and make sure that every year we do that. So for all the parents and students who really want to go through the same journey, I believe the very first thing that you need to understand is this NSEP, which is National Standard Examination Physics, which you have to write in the month of November. Iska notification will come somewhere around August first week, where the registrations will open, and in this examination, examination will happen in November, where you will be asked around 60 objective questions, rather 70 questions you will be asked, where 60 will be in section 1 and 10 will be in section 2. Total duration of this exam is going to be 2 hours. Folks, in Vedantu, to prepare the students for this NSEP examination, where students from 10th, 11th, 12th can participate, Vedantu has recently launched a course by the name of NSEP Target, which is a premier course. All these sessions will be premiered, recorded. We are not conducting a live course here because we feel it will be very tough for the students to get time for live, given the fact that students will be going to various other coachings, and they would have a lot of other things to do. So this premier course, which will be purely recorded course, will have 70 sessions. In these 70 sessions, we plan to cover the entire syllabi. But more importantly, in the 70 sessions, we are not going to cover theory. Let me be very clear here. We are not going to cover theory. Yesterday, I was interacting with students who are studying in this batch. So those students, especially from grade 10th, were asking about theory. Let me set the expectations pretty clearly. To all the students who are probably in 11th, 12th, who have done one round of physics, who have probably prepared for NSEGS also. So who have done one round of physics, who understand all the important formulae, fundamentals, for them this course is extremely useful. If you can take out time And if you want to aspire for Physics Olympiad, this course is really useful because our entire focus will be on problem solving. Yes, there will be doubt support on Telegram. There is a Telegram group where people are put into from backend, and in that Telegram we support students with doubt, and there will be a lot of tests as mentioned, 5-part test, 5 full tests, so that students get adequate practice for NACP examination. This course I was talking about, this course is priced at 4,000 after discount. You can check at Vedantu course pages at Vedantu website, or you can click at the description box to enroll into the course. But more importantly, my friends, I believe apart from this course, many of you will also like to interact with Dhruv. I plan to bring Dhruv to this channel tomorrow. So for all of you who really want to interact with Dhruv, who want to understand his journey, who want to understand what he went through, what kind of challenges he faced, which books he studied from, whatever you want to ask, please type in the comment box at the end of the session, so that I can collate your queries and arrange the conversation in such a manner that all the questions get answered. Right, my dear students? So with this, let me again congratulate each and every one of you, the entire team of Vedantu Olympiad School, for working day in, day out. Chandan sir, Vikas sir, who have worked so closely with Dhruv and has made each and every one, not only in Vedantu, but entire country proud. With this, wish you all the very best, students, parents, wish you all the very best so that our kids can also aim for gold and get gold for our country. Thank you, parents. Thank you, students.